Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our cooking stories. Dejaj Mahshi or stuffed chicken is a super healthy, easy to prepare, diet-friendly, nourishing and yummy recipe. Here I bring a healthy twist to this traditional Arabic recipe which is diet-friendly especially for keto diets. Dejaj Mahshi is a Palestinian celebratory meal served particularly to new mothers. Whole chicken, 1 kilogram of chicken soaked in vinegar. This removes all unwanted taste and odor from the chicken. Next, let's marinate the chicken. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and lemon juice. Pepper and salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of paprika. 2 tablespoons of olive oil and half a teaspoon of turmeric. For best results, soak the chicken overnight. All the spices will be well blended into the chicken. It is best to use a whole chicken with the bones and the skin alone. Make sure you marinate the insides of the chicken as well. Let's put the chicken aside and prepare the first filling. The next ingredient is minced meat washed thoroughly. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil as well. Adding the whole spices like cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, pepper, bay leaves, fennel seeds. You can also add raisins and pine nuts, it's optional. To this add 1 chopped onion and salt till it becomes translucent. Authentically Egyptian rice works best for this recipe. You can use ghee rice or basmati rice as well. Don't forget to add in some salt as this can speeden up the sorting of the onions. Add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and salt. For 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, you can take 1 inch of ginger and around 3 cloves of garlic. Add in some ground pepper and also turmeric for the color. Once the spices are well sorted, we can add in the next ingredient, tomatoes. Cook 1 chopped tomatoes until it is tender. Now it's time to add in all the veggies and make it colorful. I have added here 1 capsicum and 1 carrot, and in goes the minced meat. Mix it really well so all the ingredients get combined. Add 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. When the meat and the vegetables are cooked and the water starts boiling, you can keep it to a simmer and add the rice. Mix well and cook it covered until all the water evaporates. Now let's make the diet filling with a healthier twist. Yes, the secret recipe is quinoa. To a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add in 1 chopped onion until it is translucent. Add in pepper and salt as per your taste. Add in 2 tablespoons of Arabic masala. Once all the spices are well sorted, in goes the tomatoes. Cook until tender. For this diet-friendly filling, I have omitted the butter and added olive oil. As this is a diet recipe, feel free to use all the veggies you have. Here I have used carrots and capsicums. Add some water and cook the vegetables, and in goes the minced meat. Take your time and mix in very well so that all the spices get mixed with the vegetables and the meat. When this mixture gets cooked, add in 2 cups of water and bring to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, keep it to a simmer and add in quinoa. Our keto ingredient here is a protein-packed power food. close and cook until all the water evaporates. Time to take out our chicken and do the stuffing. Before that, let's rub the surface with some turmeric powder, Arabic masala and paprika powder for the color and flavor. Divide the quinoa or rice, reserve some to serve with chicken. Spoon stuffed into the cavity of the chicken, filling as much as you can. Using toothpicks, secure the opening to the cavity as best as you can. Cover the chicken with aluminum foil and add some water around the chicken. For a tender chicken, slow roast the chicken using this method. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit. This should take a total of 1 hour depending on the size of the chicken. Take 2 small pieces of aluminum foil and make a bowl out of it. Alternatively, you can also use a steel bowl. Take a piece of charcoal and light it up and place it inside the foil. Keep the lighted charcoal inside the chicken tray. Now wait to see the magic happening as you pour in some butter. Close the lid at the very moment and don't let this precious flavorful smoke escape through. Repeat the same with rice and quinoa for the roast flavor. Follow these steps carefully to the secret of the success of the recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video, friends. Do share with your family and friends. This recipe is enjoyed by grown-ups as well as children alike. Don't forget to try this recipe and give in your valuable feedback. For more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel with the bell icon.